Okay. Give me a response whether you are seeing my screen or not. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. In the last class, we discussed the syllabus. There are total 5 units in a syllabus. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what are the content in that syllabus? The same thing I am showing in the screen. In the first unit, we'll start to read the thoughts of different schools of management. What are the different methods, definition, approach, different schools, different research has given the opinion. So we'll read in the first unit. Also, we'll understand the managerial functions like planning, controlling, executing, coordinating, everything in the first unit. Managerial function means whatever you are doing at your home or day-to-day life, you have one function. Suppose today you have to go to your college. How you are going? What time you are reaching there at your college? And what is the work you have to finish? Then where you will have to have your lunch? Then how you will back? Do you have any other work at Bhubaneswar? So you will complete all the work within your planning, then you are coming back. So these are the functions. Suppose you have one person at your home working at your home servant. So what time he is coming, that person, what are the work you have given to her, given to him or her, what is the compensation you are giving, and when you are giving, how you are giving. So everything you are managing. So these are all managerial functions. So what example I have given in a small scale, in an individual scale, but you go to any organization, any setup. So these are there, these functions are there. You have to do in a small scale or large scale. First thing, the management thought, then the managerial function will understand in unit 2, unit 1. Unit 2 will understand more on organization, people, motivation, what people behave in organization, how their behavior, and what you have to do to motivate people. Because I was telling, you have to do the things through people. So you have to manage a lot the people. That is there in unit 2. Unit 3, groups, teams, how you are recruiting teams, how you are creating teams, how you are developing teams, and how you are leading teams. All these things will read in group 3. Group 4, skills, mostly on communication skill, interpersonal skill, what are the types, how it is impacting the business. So we'll understand in unit 4. Unit 5, the conflict and the organizational development. How you manage the conflict, what are the different types of conflict that arises in an organization, what is the reason of conflict, is there any good conflict or bad conflict. We'll understand everything in the last unit, unit 5. This is the syllabus. We'll reach one by one unit. We'll study one by one unit in each class. So we'll start today from unit 1. Before that, what I was telling regarding your attendance, You have to give your attendance by giving your name and roll number in the chat box. From there, I'll collect the attendance, give it to your college. So every time you join, you give your name and address, name and roll number in the chat box. So that will be your attendance. And after this class, I'll share this syllabus and what we're discussing in this class. We'll share this. Then you will have a notes, this class note, and you can study. And if you have any questions, you can ask me. The first thing we'll start the scientific management. We have the next slide. This person, Frederick Winslow Taylor. This person is known as the father of management. So these are the schools. In the left side, I have given, in the right side, I have given a list of schools, thoughts, which we are going to study. First thing is scientific management. We'll start with that. Management process school, human relation school, system approach school, decision theory school, mathematical quantitative school, and contingency approach school of management. These are the different thoughts, different approach, different definition given for the management. So we'll understand what each of these theories says. The first thing is scientific management. As the name suggests, scientific management, so each and everything we have to do scientifically. We have to break down the work and analyze the work in a scientific manner. That is what scientific management says. In the next slide, in the another one or two slides, we'll understand how it happens. But you remember this name, Frederick Winslow Taylor, popularly known as Taylor, father of scientific management. Born on 1856 and died on 1915. We'll understand, we'll read more about this person. But this person, why we're reading, is not something one day, 2 day work. These people have researched and analyzed the work for years together. That means 20 years, 30 years, they have researched. They came to this point that what is management. To give a definition, they have done tremendous research for many years. In some industry, with case studies, with example, we are reading that. And this person is known as the father of management, Frederick Winslow Taylor. We'll learn more about this person. We'll take a quick break for 5 minutes. Then we'll learn about this person and what he says about management. Because he is the leading person or the father of management. He has done a lot of research on management and taken a lot of surveys, a lot of analysis from the people working in an organization. So after that, so the result came and we are going to study on that. Scientific Management School. We'll log in quickly in the same link, maybe after 5 minutes maximum.